You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is r equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 17/6 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is r equals 1.